Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video, I want to share some amazing hiring opportunities for you. So make sure to watch the complete video. But before proceeding further in the video, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed our channel till now, then guys make sure to subscribe the channel and be a part of our Telegram community as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. So let's talk about our first opportunity, that is from Autodesk. हे ऑल जैसा कि आप जानते हो इंडस्ट्री में फुल स्टैक डेवलपर की बहुत ही ज्यादा हाई डिमांड है एंड एवरेज सैलरी की बात करें सो दैट रेंजेस फ्रॉम 12 LPA to 15 LPA इवन इससे ज्यादा ही होती है. सो आई वांट टू टेल यू अबाउट full stack development career program from textbook where you will be trained to become a full stack web developer, right? So what all things are going to be covered here in this particular program? You can see here HTML5, MongoDB, Node.js, CSS3, Docker, object oriented programming, JavaScript, MySQL, data structure algorithm, React, Git, and not only this, आपको placement specific like aptitude and all ये सब पे भी train किया जाएगा, interview preparation के लिए भी train किया जाएगा. और आपकी जो ये classes होने वाली है, ये classes आपकी live classes होंगी. So in case you are having any doubt, you can directly connect with your mentor. वीडियो लेसन्स होंगे, प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन होंगे एंड रिकॉर्डिंग भी आपको प्रोवाइड की जाएगी लाइव क्लासेस की, सो दैट यू कैन रिवाइज वॉट एवर यू हैव लर्न. और इन केस यू मिस एनी सेशन यू कैन जस्ट गो थ्रू द रिकॉर्डिंग. क्विज होंगे, नोट्स होंगे, बाइलिंगुअल क्लासेस होंगी और आपको डोट सर्टिफिकेट दिए जाएंगे. एक तो आपका जो प्रोग्राम कंप्लीशन का सर्टिफिकेट होगा, अदर देन दिस आपको 2 मंथ इंटर्नशिप करने का मौका भी मिलेगा, तो उसका सर्टिफिकेट भी आपको दिया जाएगा. तो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कंप्लीटली सारी इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत ही डेप्थ में दी गई हो कि क्या क्या इंफॉर्मेशन लाइक क्या क्या टेक्नोलॉजी आप सीखने वाले हो, लाइक कंप्लीट थिंग्स ये लोग कवर करने वाले हैं जो भी रिलेटेड है. और इंडस्ट्री में बहुत डिमांड है इन चीजों की, तो अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हो इस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स में एंड इवन डिस्काउंट भी मिल रहा है आपको, राइट? सो do enroll in the course. Complete detail about the course is provided in the description itself, so do check the description and start your journey to become a full stack developer. So here you can see that Autodesk is hiring for the role of intern software developer. First of all, let me tell you that this opportunity is for 2023 batch. Coming to the position overview, so Fusion 360 is an integrated CAD, CAM and CAE software that eliminates need for connected product development process, unifying design, engineering and manufacturing into a single platform. Certain other points are also given. You can just go through it. We'll be covering only the important information for you. So talking about the responsibilities, so you'll be participating in cutting edge research, TP, develop solution for real world large scale problem, research, conceive and develop software application to extend and improve on Autodesk's product offering, collaborate on scalability issues involving access to data and information, utilize exposure to large-scale production software troubleshooting, help maintain mission-critical services. Minimum qualification specified is like Bachelor, Master of Engineering with major in Computer Science, Mechanical, Civil, Electrical. Full-time 6-month commitment from Jan to June 2022. Preferred qualifications, so hands-on with Java and Node.js stack. Exposure to web designing using modern front-end frameworks such as React, Angular, Vue, etc. Exposure to DBMS such as MySQL, MongoDB, etc. Learning benefits have also been provided that students will get hands-on exposure to designing microservices and would also have opportunity to learn how to make real-world complex system with scalability and resiliency in mind. Students will research and learn about creating consistent, reusable, flexible modules, right? About Autodesk as well, certain points are given. You can just go through it. We'll be talking about our next opportunity. So that is from Tachyon. Tachyon is hiring for the role of associate software engineer front end. So at Tachyon, we are building the only cloud native platform that is transforming the automotive retail industry, leapfrogging it into the future and providing unparalleled customer experience. Key responsibility that you will be having is building pixel perfect UIs across both mobile platform, leveraging native APIs for deep integration with both platform, diagnose and fix bugs and performance bottlenecks for performance that feels native. Minimum qualification you need is bachelor's in computer science or relevant field. 3 months of relevant experience in JavaScript, HTML, CSS, jQuery, HTTP. Decent understanding of XML, JSON, DOM and W3C standard. Attitude for getting things done. Familiar with project management tools like Jira, etc. Will be involved in developing any enterprise system like e-commerce, manufacturing, supply chain, etc. Experience of working with Git. So this opportunity is for 2021 as well as 2022 batch. So you can apply if you are meeting the eligibility criteria and having the relevant skills as well. Coming to our next opportunity, so that is from Morgan Stanley, right? So this is 2022 Technology Spring Analyst Program. Okay, so we'll be exploring further. So Spring Analyst join for 6 month internship commencing in January. Spring Analysts are placed into a specific development or infrastructure team, both of which are designed to offer a real world product based experience that will demonstrate firsthand training program with an induction day that provides an overview of the firm architecture and strategy, as well as guidance on making the transition from campus to corporate environment. Following direct placement into team, summer analysts work on live project of real relevance to Morgan Stanley. Coming to the responsibilities for development teams, our development teams are tasked with designing, developing, and maintaining application used by the firm's business unit. Daily activities will be including meeting with clients to gather and analyze requirement, making system design decisions, evaluating, integrating, and developing necessary software, and testing and deploying application to production, developing high performing, low latency electronic trading system across multiple asset classes, providing sophisticated risk management analytics and system, and evolving complex workflows and life cycle management capabilities across increasingly sophisticated products are just some of the many projects available for developers within our technical organization. So qualification required here is you are a bachelor's or master's student in your final year of study. So that opportunity is for 2022, right? Computer science, computer engineering, electrical engineering, information technology, or other related technical major, right? So you have experience with at least one programming language, you have operating system knowledge, you have excellent problem solving skills, experience in object oriented development, good comprehension of data structure, algorithm, and complexity theory, strong database and scripting skills, you have excellent problem solving, communication, teamwork, and analytical skill, you are fluent in English. So if you are interested in this opportunity and having the relevant skill set as well, meeting the eligibility criteria, then make sure to apply for this opportunity. Coming to our next opportunity, so that is from Concranes, right? So here you can see the location they are providing is Pune, Maharashtra, and we live proceeding further. So your key responsibilities are going to be, so basically they are hiring for trainee for SAP security as well as monitoring. 0 to 2 years of experience you need. So this opportunity is for 2020 as well as 2021 batch. So exhibit Concrane's core values and a code of conduct into each action, working with SAP system, ensure ability to work or SLA based service delivery, monitoring the SAP system daily, and IDOC of various interface, and in support process improvisation, analyze the repetitive incidents and addressing the root causes in order to either reduce, eliminate repetitive incidents, ensure the KPIs like SLA, TAT, aging, quality audits, etc. based on management's expectation, align and realign action based on customers' feedbacks, input from management, prepare report based on supervisor's expectation, deliver any other task as per superior's instruction and guidance, be flexible on call support based on business needs, knowledge for SAP Basic will be an added advantage for you. So what we expect, bachelor's degree or higher, BTech, BE, BCA, BSc Computer Science, good technical background with some professional experience desirable, excellent written and spoken skill, ability to work and communicate effectively with a globally distributed team player, customer service attitude, right? So these are the things mentioned. You can just explore further about the responsibilities and what is basically they are offering you as well. So yeah, these were some of the opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If this is so, then make sure to hit the like button. Do subscribe this channel, and guys, please share the video among your friends as well who are looking for the opportunities and eligible for the same. So maybe this video will be helpful for them. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Keep learning, keep preparing. Bye bye.